Dolly likes birthday parties. We'll invite her to Care Bear's party. Dolly, would you like to come to Care Bear's birthday party?
Yeah! Yes! I have to do it!
Okay, well why don't you sit next to Peyton?
Okay.
Can you hold Dolly while we sing Happy Birthday?
Well, she can go right here, right in front of Care Bear.
I'll put her right here, back here, so she can prop herself up. All right, let's light the candles, Peyton, and you're gonna sing the song, okay?
Okay.
Care Bear's turning 4 years old today. All right, you wanna sing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Care Bear. Happy birthday to you.
Should we help blow out the candles?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
That was a tough one. Good job. Yay, Care Bear.
Yay!
Do you remember who gave you Care Bear? Do you remember? Daddy's cousin? Brooke?
What?
Yeah, Brookie gave you Care Bear.
Lucky. I call him Brooker.
You call him Brooka?
Yeah, I call him that.
You look in the camera and say, thank you, Uncle Brooka.
Thank you, Uncle Brooker.
Care Bear's already 4 years old.
Care Bear's already 4 years old.
Okay, alright, we're going to turn off the camera and say see you later, everybody.
See you